Guys, what's up? I am back with another video. It's time to do unbox the Realme C100i, and guys, and this is a new entry level budget phone that we have from Realme, and this one is costing around only 35,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we only have 4 GB of RAM with a 64 GB of internal storage, and this phone also is manufactured in Pakistan, and the color I have is the dawn purple color. So on this side, here are the specs we have. We have a 7000 mAh battery size. Also we have IP64 water and dust resistance. On the front we have a 120Hz ultra smooth display, and this phone is powered by Unisoc T7250 SoC. So very interesting to see what is Realme has to offer in this Realme C100i. So now let's quickly remove the plastic with my knife, and this is a budget level phone. So definitely this one does not made for even light gaming. You can do some phone calls and some social media stuff like that, because the Unisoc SoC is not really powerful. So when you open this box, here is the mini box. Make it real. Welcome to the Realme family. So inside this envelope, here is our quick start guide, as you can see, and here is a silicone set. So nice to see. We have a silicone case in the 35,000 PKR. We have soft silicone case. Here is the Realme C100i, as you can see, in the purple color. And as you can see, here is a purple color looks like. On the back we have a matte finish. On the back actually we have a dual cameras, but the main camera, it is only 8 megapixel. Here is the dual LED flash. We have matte finish. The back is made up of plastic. The frame also it is made up of plastic. We have our fingerprint scanner inside the power button. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Let's see what else we get in the phone. So here is a charger. So this phone only has a 15-watt charger we have, so not an extra super fast charging we have. We only have 15 watt and USB type C to USB A cable, and the phone is on. First let me show the physical overview. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB C port, main microphone, headphone jack, and on the left hand side we have our SIM tray. And now let's see the SIM tray. IP64 rating is also here, so you can see it is a full-fledged SIM slot. So on the top absolutely nothing, looks like we don't have any microphone, secondary microphone. So volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button, it is on the right hand side, and also inside the power button we have our fingerprint scanner. On the front we have a bigger 6.7 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display. Also we have 120Hz refresh rate. We have a U-shaped notch on the top, and the button chin I would say it is slightly bigger, but it is I would say really decent overall. And the weight balance I would say it's done really well, although we have a 7000 mAh battery size. And guys, here is the first boot of the Realme C100i. So here are the pre-installed apps we have. So looks like a lot of apps it is already installed, but the UI I would say looks and feel really smooth. So here is the notification panel looks like. And now let's go to the settings, and now let's see the max brightness, and we have a 720p IPS LCD display, and the display looks I would say really decent for indoor use. So let's go to the about phone, and this phone is running on Android 16. Also we have Realme UI. We have a 64 GB of internal storage. Only we have 20 GB it is already used. So now let's the fingerprint scanner. We have fingerprint scanner inside the power button, and the fingerprint scanner it works absolutely fast. Also now let's go to the battery section, and inside the battery percentage it looks like we don't have any battery health feature. Let's go to the display section, and here is the refresh rate option. So on default it is on auto, but we also have 120Hz. So now let's look at the camera. So this one only has a 8 megapixel main camera on the back looks like, and here is the video mode, and on the back we only have a 1080p at 30 fps support, and the night mode it is available. So now let's look at the front facing camera. So this one only has a 5 megapixel, and you can see in the 5 megapixel I would say it is not really decent for daily usage of the camera wise. So here is the video mode, and on the front looks like we also have a 1080p support, but you can see I can't see the video resolution. And here's the night mode, and the portrait mode is available. And the front facing camera, I would say it is actually really weak. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 7000 mAh battery size. Also we have a 15 watt normal charging, and definitely this phone will give you a 2 days of battery life on light use without any problem. Overall, I have to say, if you're looking for a decent budget level smartphone in this price range, yes, you can definitely look at the Realme C100i. But there are many options in the market that give you a better value than the Realme C100i. Back camera, it is really decent. Even the processor, I would say it is really decent. It handling the 120 Hz absolutely fine. The front facing camera, it is actually really weak. The fast charging, I would say it is little more slow, but for this price range it is decent. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and a first impression regarding the Realme C100i. And definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.